Okay, so this is a Samsung 2018 model QE75Q9FN. It's been working fine for 3 or 4 months, and then yesterday I noticed that this black shadow is not quite so apparent on like movie scenes and things like that, but obviously when you get a solid block of colour or a light colour on the screen, it's really apparent. So it shows up most in this menu. If anybody else has had this issue, please comment. I'd be interested to know what it is. It looks like a hardware issue. If I manage to sort it out or I get an answer to it, I'll leave it in the comments just so that everybody else knows if they get the same issue. It's a shame because it's a beautiful TV, especially colour. I haven't seen colour like this on a TV before. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. Please like and subscribe.